All right, next here we have PCl4. This is a polyatomic cation, not one of the ones that you have to name or know anything like that, but we can do the Lewis structure for it. PCl4, so phosphorus is in the fifth column here. Phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. And then each of those chlorines, because chlorine's in the 7th column, has 7 valence electrons. Okay, so 5 plus 28, that is, 5 plus 28, that's 33. That's a little bit weird. Well, it's a little bit weird because I have to do something with the charge here. And a positive charge means I need to subtract an electron from the total. So my total here is not 33, but 32 electrons. Most of the time we're going to end up having an even number of electrons. All right, so we're going to follow our same pattern again now. So put the phosphorus in the middle. The chlorines go around the outside. And we need to use 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons in order to tether everything together. And so that leaves me with 24 electrons to satisfy the valence on all of these. Okay, and so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, I used up all 24 electrons, so I'm totally out of electrons. Okay, and when we have something like this as a polyatomic anion or polyatomic cation, we want to put big square brackets around it, and we want to tell everyone what the total charge of that is on the outside of those square brackets. Finally, I need to look at this and see if this satisfies the octet rule. And so the chlorines look happy. They all see 8 valence electrons. And the same deal here with my phosphorus. The phosphorus also sees, it has 4 bonds, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're in good shape there. All right, now I'm just going to redraw my Lewis structure and we will assign charges. And we finally will have some work to do here. So I will put this together, put all of my lone pairs on here again. And remind us that the whole thing has positive charge again. Now I'm going to use my boxes to cut everything up. Let's cut this part first. Everything else, make everything else a little neater. Okay. Okay, and so in this Lewis structure, each of those chlorines have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. They have the dots, and then they have half the line, so that gives them 7. So the chlorines are all 0. They're all the same, and they're all 0. Phosphorus, however, this phosphorus has 1, 2, 3, 4 valence electrons in the Lewis structure. And from the periodic table, a phosphorus atom should have 5 valence electrons. So this phosphorus is short a negative particle. It has 1 electron less than it should. And so that positive charge is right there. All right, well, check this out. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals plus 1. And this is, as it has to be, the charge on all of the atoms in a molecule, or a molecular cation in this case, have to add up to the total charge. And they do. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 gives me a plus 1 overall charge on this polyatomic